Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make another recipe, and the recipe for today is going to be crepes. Crepes are like a super thin pancake that originated in France, and the best thing about them is that you can eat them both sweet with things like powdered sugar and butter and fruits and chocolate, or you can make them savory with eggs and meat and cheese. So these were invented back in France about 1,000 years ago after the Crusades, when they brought back buckwheat to France and they were able to use the flour to make these crepes. And this food is so special to the country that they even have a day of the year where everybody gathers and eats crepes. So with that, let me show you how to make this recipe. This recipe, you're gonna need flour, sugar, eggs, salt, vanilla, milk, and butter. I included all of the amounts of ingredients at the end, but as a little trick, you can always use the side of butter to measure out your tablespoons. I then put the butter in the microwave for 30 seconds until it was melted and added it into a big mixing bowl along with my eggs, milk, sugar, and vanilla. Once all my wet ingredients were in there, I made sure to mix it up until it was completely smooth. And I added a sprinkle of salt and then sifted my flour in to make sure that it was really fine and smooth. I then mixed it some more and more, making sure that it was smooth and there was no clumps. And if it looks liquidy like this, that's okay, that's how it's supposed to be. I then put my batter in the fridge, and this is where the video took a turn. My mom saw the batter and decided to make the crepes herself the next morning when I was sleeping, which was super nice and I'm super thankful, but sadly I didn't get to record making the rest of the crepes. Here's my best picture tutorial on how you can finish the recipe. Turn your stove onto medium heat, coat the pan in nonstick spray, pour a thin layer of batter in that covers the whole pan, and after a couple minutes when it's cooked, give it a nice flip just like that. These were my finished crepes, and I decided to eat mine with Nutella and banana, just like this picture. I hope you give this delicious French recipe a try.